Welcome. If you've ever wanted to have more control over who can tag you in photos on X, formerly known as Twitter, this video will walk you through how to do exactly that, right from your PC. The latest update has slightly changed the layout, so let's go step by step to make sure you set things up perfectly. First, open the X app on your PC. Once it's loaded, look to the left-hand menu and click on the More icon. This is the one that looks like 3 little dots in a circle. When you click it, a new list of options will appear. From that list, go down to Settings and Privacy and select it. This is where all your account controls and privacy tools are located. Next, look for the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Click that, and you'll be taken to a page filled with tools that help you manage your privacy across the platform. Now, under Privacy and Safety, you'll see an option called Audience, Media, and Tagging. Go ahead and click it. This section is very important because it lets you decide who can engage with your content and how your photos are managed. Once inside, find the part labeled Photo Tagging. Click on it to open the settings. Here, you'll see an option that says Photo Tagging, which might currently be turned off. To allow tagging, simply toggle it on. When you do this, you'll unlock another option that lets you choose who can tag you in photos. Select the choice that says, Only people you follow can tag you. This setting gives you just the right balance between privacy and engagement. Your followers can still tag you, but random users won't be able to. And that's it. You've successfully set up who can tag you in photos on X using your PC. It only takes a minute, but it keeps your profile more secure and your mentions cleaner. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the other privacy settings in the same section. You might find a few more features that make your experience even better. Thanks for tuning in.